Okay, Ali, here's 9 and 10. Now, question 9, there's a few things to do with question 9. We need to work out the area first, and then we work out how much fertilizer we're going to use, because the area of the fertilizer is spread at a rate of kilograms per metre squared, so we need to work out the area. Now, there are two areas. There's the rectangle, which I'll call area 1, and the semicircle I'll call area 2. So area 1 is just going to be 35 times 50. I don't have a calculator at the moment. Yes, I do. We'll do our calculators right here. Okay, so 35 times 50 is 1,750 metres squared. So 1,750 metres squared. So area 2 is half a circle. So the circle, remember the circle formula is pi r squared. So we need the radius, which is this distance here. So it's going to be half of 35, which is 17.5 for the radius. So it's going to be pi times 17.5 squared, but divided by 2 because it's half a circle. So we get our calculator and we'll do pi times 17.5 squared, that's for a whole circle, divided by 2, and we get an answer of, so that's giving us an answer, an exact answer in terms of pi, but let's do a decimal approximation. I hit my SD button, and it's 481.05. I'm just going to say 481.1, around to one decimal place. 481.1 meters squared. Now our area total is going to be, adding those two together, so we'll get our calculator again. I'll go 481.1 plus 1750 equals 2231.1. 2231.1 meters squared. Okay, that's the first half done. Second part says the fertilizer is spread at a rate of 44.5 kilograms per meter squared. So for every 1 meter squared, they use 4.5 kilograms. We have 2,231 kilograms meter squared. So we need to take this and times it by the 4.5. So we have 4.5 times 2231.1. And again, we'll get our calculator. The 2231.1 is still there, so we're going to times that by 4.5. That's going to give me this large number, which is 10,000. I missed out what it was. 10,039. There was a point on the end, wasn't there? 95. Okay, so that will be the amount of kilograms. But as you can see, the answers in the multiple choice are in tons. Now the conversion is 1,000 kilograms equals 1 ton. So all we need to do is divide this by 1,000, and that will give us our answer, which will move the decimal point 3 places. 1, 2, 3, and it's essentially 10 tons, which is answer A. Now, question 10 says find the area of this sector. Well, that's just basically straightforward formula. So if we have the area of a circle, which is pi times the radius squared, if it's a fraction of a circle, then we times it also by the angle, which I'll call theta, on top of 360, because 360 degrees is the whole circle. So all we're doing now is replacing the r with 3.9 and the theta with 57. So it'll look like this. Area will equal pi times 3.9 squared times 57 over 360. And for the last time, we'll grab our calculator and we'll do pi times 3.9 squared times, we'll get our fraction key and do 57 on the top, 360 down the bottom, and our answer will be, there's a question say how many decimal places are closest to. So let's look at our answers to see which one is it closest to. And we've got 7.565. It's definitely not that one. It's definitely not that one. It wasn't that one. It was 7.6. So the answer is 7.6 centimeters squared.